As well as in previous sections, the first thing you have to do is to set up the OpenAI API key. So I go to application.properties and put here string AI OpenAI API key. I'm going to use environment variable. So I go to edit configurations. You should add environment variables here. And after that, click the plus. As a name, we put OpenAI API key. And as a value, put your key. Okay, apply. And we can run the application. And it's running. Now let's start with simple API. So what I'm going to do is to create details like question and answer. So question gonna be record with one field, question, and we do the same for answer, string answer. Also, let's create service. It's gonna be OpenAI service. I mark it as Spring service. And here what we need is private final chat client. And let's create constructor to initialize this client. For this we use chat client.builder. And we put this client equal to builder.build. Okay, and let's create method that returns answer. Call it getAnswer. We receive question as a parameter. And what we can do is return client.prompt, provide some user message from question.question. Then we call, map it to entity, answer.class. Okay, and what we also need is a controller. It's gonna be OpenAI controller. I mark it as REST controller. I also will use required args constructor to initialize final beans. So I'm going to use private final OpenAI service, and we need endpoint like public answer, get question. We ask some question and simply call OpenAI service. Oh, I mean get answer, of course. To make this endpoint, I mark it post mapping and provide some URL like ask, and question should be request body. Okay, now we can run the application. And I go to the Postman. We are going to send post request. And we are going to send it to ask URL. As a body, we need to provide JSON with question. So I'm going to tell here, hello, my name is Ulat, and what is your name? So let's ask it. It says, hello, my name is assistant. And now if I ask, what is my name? You see that we have no answer, or sometimes it can answer with something else, but not with your name. So the model does not remember what you said previously, and that's what we are going to work on in the next videos.